Welcome back to our channel. Now we are on Geography High Level and Standard Level Paper 2, the same paper, and 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, just like the previous one, I just have the question paper to share. Okay, no marking, I'm sorry. Okay, I hope it still help you. Okay, so welcome by yourself. Okay, and you have a section A, B, C. Okay, section C answer one question, and section A and B answer all the question. Okay, and section B only have one question. Okay. And then you have remember you have 1 hour and 15 minutes on it. Okay, section A. Okay, answer must be written within the answer box provided. Okay, changing population. Okay, refer to the graph on page 2 of the accompanying resource booklet. The graph shows aging related policy used in the different region of the world. Okay, I have combined the question and the booklet graph together, so work on it. Okay, A1, estimate the percentage of a government globally that have raised pension age. Pause it and work on it. Welcome back. Okay, it takes some time. Okay, relax. Okay, don't waste the past paper. Work on it seriously. Okay, not many past paper, especially geography is a little bit new. A2, state the policy that has the smallest range of value for the regions. Pause and think. Well done. Okay, next one. Okay. Suggest 2 reasons why countries have different policy to manage. Why? Pause it. 4 marks, okay? Long writing, okay? Write that. You need to have a paper. Write it down, okay? Take it as an exam, okay? Use it. Use the past paper as much as possible, okay? Write it down, okay? Pause it, okay? Welcome back. If you really doesn't know it, okay, revise that part again, okay? Human geography, right? This one is right. Work hard, okay? You can do it, okay? Okay, next question. Explain 2 ways in which voluntary internal migration could limit economic development. 4 marks, okay? Work on it, okay? Pause. Welcome back, okay? Next one on question 2, okay? Global climate, resilience and variability, okay? Refer to the map on page 3 of the accompanying resource booklet. Okay, forest biomass are affected by climate change. The map shows the projected change between 1990s and 2100 in the distribution of oak hickory forests in the eastern United States. Okay, I combine them again. Okay, so look at it, do it slowly, seriously. Okay, write down your answer. Maybe you share with your friends, compare the answer, and then you got the correct one. Okay, you know geography quite well. Right? Okay, hey, describe the changing distribution of oak hickory forests. Pause. Welcome back. Remember, describe, say more. Okay. Next question. Okay. Explain 2 different reasons for an increase in methane gas emissions. Methane gas. Where does it come from? Remember, textbook. Textbook. I learned some in biology too. I remember. I'm sure more in geography. Okay. Physical geography. Okay. 4 marks. Okay. Pause and write. Okay. Next one, okay. Explain 2 geopolitical strategy used to reduce the effects of climate change. 4 marks. I think it is not related to the diagram. Some questions are not related. I think this one is not related, right? General. You learn it, okay. And lots of key points, okay. Just write 2 strategy with a description, okay. 2 marks. Explain why. Pause and write, okay. Welcome back. Oh, question 3 already. Excellent, okay. Global resources consumption and security. Describe what is meant by resource stewardship. Important term, I think. I just guess, okay? So you have the definition already, right? And description on it. Suggest two ways in which economic development may lead to an increase in the availability of food, more food, of course, but why in a geographic way, okay? Not why in the economic way, okay? Be careful because also we say economic development, human geography is very similar, connected. Okay, 6 marks, okay? All together, question 3. Pause and write, okay? Welcome back. How long have you been for question 3? 6 marks, so I think it should be about double the time, about average, so a little bit less than, so about 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. Remember, don't write too much, okay? Next question. Section B, okay, answer the following question, just one question, okay? Refer to the infographic on page 45 of the accompanying resource booklet. The graph shows aspects of the fraction industrial and circular economy. But because the booklet is quite long, 5 pages, I remember. So I just simulate that you look at the question A1 or A2 or B, and then you go through all the 2 pages for all the 5 diagrams to look for it. So I don't want to constrain you where to get the answer. So you need to look for it, okay? Look at all the 5 things. You can see which one can be used to answer the question. Okay, for example, okay. Question A, describe the change in sustainable clothing sales revenue in the United Kingdom 2014 to 2020. Does it related to this chart? No hints, okay? If you think is yes, pause it and write it for 2 marks, okay? Maybe this one, okay? Is it related to this one? Or this one? You need to go through all the data, all the diagram, all the chart, or the graph, okay? To make the decision, okay? Or this one? Or this one? So that's all it totally we have 5 diagram, okay? So which one is the related one for this question A? Describe the change in sustainable clothing sales revenue in the United Kingdom. Pause and write it 2 marks, okay? Welcome back. Although 2 marks, but you need to scan through the data policies takes you some time, so write it more quick, okay? Question B, still the 5 thing, okay? 5 info. See which one related to this question B. Such one way in which the survey of a city population that supported sustainable fraction could be biased. So which one is the survey? This one? Or this one? Pause it when you find the related info and then write it down, okay? 2 bucks, okay? Or this one? Or this one? Or this one? The term is could be bias, so you have to name the bias, the possible bias, okay? Don't say low bias, okay? You can't get the mark. Could be bias, so name the possible bias. 2 marks, I think one of the info is related to it, okay? Okay, pause it and write it for 2 marks, okay? You have looked at all the thing already, okay? Welcome back, okay? Next question, okay? To what extent does the evidence in the infographic supports the view that the impact, okay, for fraction are all positive? All positive. Wow, very high requirement, right? All positive. So if you can name some negative, then you can say this claim is wrong, okay? Okay. Any info from here or from here? Pause it and write down when you find the thing, okay? 6 mark may be related to more than one. Okay, I accept. Okay, this one maybe 2, or this one, or this one. Pause it and write down 6 mark. Maybe you can find 2 or 3 info. Okay, that help you to work on it. Remember to code the data. Code which one are you looking at. Okay, to code it. Okay. Okay, pause and write 6 marks. Wow, big marks. Okay. Okay, section C. Okay, make your choice. You need to decide quick. Okay, and then work hard on one of them. I think 10 marks. You work it on about 15 to 16 minutes. Okay, look at it. Maybe just tell yourself to make the decision during the reading time. Okay, suppose it's the reading time. Okay. The consequences of megacity growth are mainly felt by individuals. To what extent do you agree with these statements? The effects of global climate change are uneven across the world. To what extent do you agree with these statements? Okay, which one you have more points to write down? So write down some points for 5 and 6, and look at the points. Look at the number of points, or write down in your mind which one you have more, really more points to share. Then you do that one. Okay. Pause it, write for 50 minutes. Welcome back. Have you counted your time? 1 hour 15 minutes enough for you? Probably not, because not familiar with the thing yet, right? You still have time. Okay. Do more past paper, read more textbook. Okay. You will be more familiar with it after this 1 year more, less more training. Okay. I feel relaxing. Okay, we done it already. Okay, I hope this format of paper can help you. Okay, so if you like our sharing, remember subscribe and share it. And also, because I don't have any answer for this one, I apologize. Please comment down there, write down your answer. Okay, see who can write it down first. Okay, which one you think which is the answer. We can have some communication down there. Okay, I really have low marking there. You know T, okay, right? Low will answer. Okay, although we have the marking. The marking haven't come out yet, right? So you can decide first. Okay, so comment down there, see which one or which you think should be the answer. Okay, we can have some more sharing with you. Okay, or maybe you can ask your friend to do it together, and then share, compare the answer together. I think this is a teamwork, peer working together is very helpful to you, more than just listening to an old guy like me to murmur here, right? Okay, bye guys. See you. Bye.